Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another drink video for you guys today. So today's drink, I'm going to be making a pineapple whiskey fix cocktail, and I'm going to call it the fix because I know in the whiskey sours that they use like the eggs and everything. I'm not going to be doing that for this drink. So what I have is some sweet and sour mix, Jack Daniel's Tennessee whiskey, and pineapple juice. So I have my shaker here and I have my ice in here. So I'm gonna pour in 4 shots of pineapple juice. I'm gonna do 1 shot of the sweet and sour. And then, because I think whiskey is a little strong, I'm gonna do like 1, maybe 1.5 shots of that. You can do 2 or however many you would like. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my top on. So I got my top on and I'm gonna go ahead and give that a shake. And I'm gonna get a little bit of ice in my glass. So we're gonna go ahead and pour that in. And then I'm just gonna garnish it with a cherry and a pineapple. And there you have it. My pineapple whiskey fix cocktail. So I hope you all enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. And I hope you all enjoy this video today. Bye-bye.